Hello guys, welcome. I have this OpenAI Codex open and it is working with OmniRoute, which is a pre-API that provide you 1.53 billion tokens per month. Now if I ask this OpenAI Codex, which models are you using? So now you can see it is using these models from where you are using your models. Now you can see it is using these models and it is using it from anti-gravity designed by Google team. Now if I come here to this OmniRoute API which I've already set up, and if I come to its providers, and now you can see here our anti-gravity and anti-gravity CLI are connected. So we are using the models from this OmniRoute API. So how to set up this? In this video I'll show you step by step. So first we will open a new tab and here I'll search for OmniRoute GitHub. Now go to this first link. Now if I go down, so here the full detail is given. You can see here it has 290 providers, 90 plus is free, and it provides 1.53 billion tokens per month free, and for the first month it provide 2.15 billion tokens. How to set up this? So we will go down and here is the quick start. Click on this. So it will take us here. So to install OmniRoute, you need npm to be installed on your system. So for that, you need Node.js. So how can you install Node.js? Search for Node.js and download. And the installation is pretty simple. Next, and it will install. I'll copy this command from here. I'll go here, open a new tab here, and I will paste it. Hit enter. And now it will take some time to install this OmniRoute. So now OmniRoute is installed. So I'll go to this OmniRoute, which I have already logged in. So I'll log out from this. And now I'll close this. I'll come here again. I'll copy the second command. And now I'll paste it here. Hit enter. And it will start OmniRoute server. And it will show you this dashboard page. Now the password is right here. Copy this and paste it here. Continue. And now you will log into OmniRoute. So this is OmniRoute. So in this way you can set up OmniRoute. Now we will install OpenAI Codex. So for that I'll come to new tab and here I'll search for Codex CLI. Go to this first link. Go down. Select this Codex CLI. Go down and here the installation method is given. This is for Mac Linux. So click on this Windows. Copy this. Come here. Open a new window and paste the command here. Now hit enter. So it will install OpenAI Codex. So now it will ask you to start Codex, put Y here and hit enter. So it will create all the files. Close this window of Codex. Now we will go here to this folder, open it to this PC, C users. HP is my user. You will have your own user. Now you can see here .codex folder. So by default this is hidden, so you can view it from here, show and hidden item. So when you check this, so it will show the hidden folders. So double click on this, open it. Here search for config.toml. It is right here. Open it, maximize this. So you will not have all these settings inside it because I've already made the settings in it. So I'll paste the settings in the description of the video. So what you have to change, all the games start from here up to here. So if this is not available in your config.toml file, so you can copy it from here and paste it there. Now what is the base URL? So the base URL is from OmniRoute. So for that I'll come here to OmniRoute. I'll go to this endpoints and this is our base URL. So I'll copy this and we will paste it right here. Now this is the API key. So I'll generate a new API key for you. For that I'll come here and go here and generate an API key. I'll name this Codex and create. I'll copy the API key and I will paste it here. Now model providers is OpenAI and we will keep it auto. This will be auto. I'll control S this. Now we have to set up some models. So for that I'll come here. I'll click on this done and now I'll come to these providers. Now here we have the free tier. I've already set up 7, but I'll show you how to set up as this is showing error. So I'll click on this, I'll delete this and I'll add it again. Now I'll type here free an API key. Not everyone work with this, but some of them work like this. I'll save this and now you can see 2 models imported. I'll close this, I'll go back. Now I'll delete this anti-gravity as well and we will connect it again. Sign in, copy this URL, come here then to OmniRoute, click on enter manually and paste the URL here and now connect. So it will connect anti-gravity CLI. I'll go again to providers, to free tier. You can add all of them but some of them need API key. If I click on this black box, add, and if I type here free and import free models and save, so now you can see 2 model imported. I'll go back. So all of these are free tier models. Here you can see 101 free tier models. So you can add all of them. Now if I click on this DeepSeek and if I add and if I use here free, import and save, so now you can see it is saying invalid API key. So for this you have to go to their website and generate the API key and then add it here. So then it will start working. So as I have shown you how to add models, now we are good to go. So now I'll again go to this CMD and here I will open a new tab and now here I'll type Codex. So now you can see it is showing an error because it is missing opening quote. So for that I'll come here and we will put opening quote here. Control S it. Now again we will go to CMD and type Codex and enter. So now it is working. So now if I send it a hi, so now you can see it has responded me, hi, how can I help you? Create me a tic-tac-toe game and HTML, CSS and JavaScript and save it in tic.html all in one file and enter. So now you can see it is working on it. So we will wait. So now you can see it has started working. I'll create a polished tic-tac-toe game in a single HTML file with embedded CSS and JavaScript, and it has created the HTML file but is still working on it. So we will wait. So now you can see here your tic-tac-toe game is ready. It has saved the file here. So I'll copy this path and I'll go to this browser, open a new tab and paste the path here. So it will open the HTML file here. As you can see, tic-tac-toe, and now if I use XOX, now you can see X1. If I use here reset score XOX, now you can see again X1 and you can create a new ground as well. So in this way you can set up Codex CLI with OmniRoute and you can use 1.53 billion tokens absolutely free. So I think that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.